Hey guys, in today's video we will talk about avoid eggs if you have these problems. So let's start the video. For decades, eggs have been a breakfast staple, praised for their protein and essential nutrients. Yet, emerging research suggests we might need to reconsider our love affair with eggs. Concerns about cholesterol, heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer have surfaced in connection with regular egg consumption. This raises crucial questions about the suitability of eggs for everyone and calls for a closer examination of their potential impact on our health. We need to understand who might benefit from including eggs in their diet, who should exercise caution, and who might be better off seeking alternative sources of nutrition. This essay aims to crack the shell on conventional wisdom, exploring the potential health risks associated with eggs and empowering you to make informed choices for your well-being. Ultimately, the goal is not to demonize eggs but to foster a balanced perspective. By understanding the science and listening to our bodies, we can make decisions that align with our individual needs and health goals. Food allergies are a serious concern, and eggs rank among the most common culprits, especially in children. While some individuals experience mild symptoms like hives or digestive upset, others face life-threatening anaphylactic reactions. These allergic responses stem from the body's immune system mistakenly identifying certain proteins in egg whites or yolks as harmful invaders. Diagnosing egg allergies usually involves a combination of medical history, physical examination, and allergy testing. Once diagnosed, strict avoidance of eggs and egg-containing products is crucial to prevent potentially life-threatening consequences. For those with egg allergies, navigating the culinary world requires vigilance. Reading food labels meticulously and inquiring about ingredients when dining out are essential practices to prevent accidental exposure. Thankfully, numerous egg substitutes are available, allowing individuals with allergies to enjoy their favorite dishes without compromising their health. For years, eggs have been caught in the crossfire of the cholesterol debate. The yolks, while rich in nutrients, also contain a significant amount of cholesterol. High levels of cholesterol, particularly LDL cholesterol, are linked to an increased risk of heart disease. However, recent research suggests a more nuanced relationship between dietary cholesterol and heart health. Studies have shown that for most healthy individuals, consuming eggs in moderation does not significantly impact blood cholesterol levels. In fact, some studies indicate that eggs might even improve HDL cholesterol levels, potentially offering some protective benefits. Despite these findings, individual responses to dietary cholesterol can vary. The relationship between egg consumption and heart health goes beyond just cholesterol levels. While moderate egg intake might not pose a significant threat to most healthy individuals, excessive consumption, especially in the context of an overall unhealthy diet, could contribute to an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. One concern stems from the saturated fat content of eggs. Additionally, the way eggs are prepared can significantly impact their healthfulness. Frying eggs, for instance, adds extra fat and calories, potentially negating any potential benefits. Research suggests that individuals with certain pre-existing conditions, such as diabetes, might be more susceptible to the adverse effects of high egg consumption on heart health. Studies have shown a potential link between frequent egg consumption and an increased risk of heart disease in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Eggs can be part of a balanced diet, but moderation and mindful preparation methods are key. The impact of egg consumption on diabetes risk and management has been a subject of ongoing research and debate. Some studies suggest that high egg consumption, particularly in individuals with pre-existing insulin resistance, might be associated with an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This association could be linked to the impact of saturated fat and cholesterol on insulin sensitivity. Research indicates that individuals with type 2 diabetes who consume large amounts of eggs might experience poorer blood sugar control. For individuals with diabetes or those concerned about their risk, it's essential to prioritize a balanced diet that emphasizes fiber-rich foods, lean protein sources, and healthy fats. Incorporating regular physical activity and maintaining a healthy weight are equally crucial for managing blood sugar levels. The relationship between egg consumption and cancer risk is complex and multifaceted, with research yielding mixed results. While eggs offer valuable nutrients that might play a protective role against certain types of cancer, some studies suggest a potential association between high egg intake and an increased risk of specific cancers. For instance, choline, a nutrient found abundantly in eggs, has been linked to an increased risk of prostate cancer in some studies. However, it's important to note that other studies have not found a significant association between choline intake and prostate cancer risk. Conversely, some studies suggest that egg consumption might be associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, such as liver cancer and breast cancer. Eggs are a good source of antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which may protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Given the conflicting evidence, it's premature to draw definitive conclusions about the impact of egg consumption on cancer risk. As with many aspects of nutrition, moderation and a balanced approach appear to be key. For individuals who experience adverse reactions to eggs, need to limit their intake due to health concerns, or simply seek dietary diversity, a plethora of safe and healthy alternatives are readily available. These substitutes offer comparable nutritional profiles and culinary versatility, ensuring that you don't have to miss out on your favorite dishes. When it comes to baking, applesauce, mashed bananas, or silken tofu can work wonders as egg replacers. For savory dishes, chickpea flour, also known as gram flour, can be whisked with water to create a vegan egg substitute perfect for omelets, frittatas, and even quiches. Beyond these culinary chameleons, other plant-based protein sources can easily take center stage on your plate. Lentils, beans, tofu, tempeh, and edamame are all excellent sources of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. These versatile ingredients can be incorporated into stir-fries, salads, soups, stews, and countless other dishes. By incorporating a rainbow of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein sources, and healthy fats, you can nourish your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Navigating the world of nutrition can feel like traversing a complex maze, with conflicting information and ever-evolving research findings. The decision of whether or not to include eggs in your diet is a personal one that should be based on your individual health status, dietary needs, and preferences. If you enjoy eggs and have no history of adverse reactions or health concerns, moderate consumption as part of a balanced diet is unlikely to pose a significant risk. However, if you experience any digestive discomfort, skin reactions, or other symptoms after eating eggs, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. For individuals with certain health conditions, such as high cholesterol, heart disease, or diabetes, it's essential to discuss egg consumption with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific health history and risk factors. By staying informed about the potential benefits and risks associated with different foods, you can make empowered decisions about what you put on your plate. In today's digital age, we are bombarded with a constant influx of information, making it challenging to discern credible sources from misinformation. When it comes to navigating the complexities of nutrition, seeking guidance from qualified healthcare professionals is paramount. Your primary care physician can provide personalized advice based on your medical history and risk factors, while a registered dietitian can help you create a tailored meal plan. Reputable organizations like the American Heart Association, the American Diabetes Association, and the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics offer evidence-based information and resources on a wide range of nutrition topics. These organizations provide reliable guidance on healthy eating patterns, dietary recommendations for specific health conditions, and tips for making sustainable lifestyle changes. By arming yourself with accurate information and seeking guidance from qualified professionals, you can confidently navigate the nutrition maze and make choices that support your overall well-being. Ultimately, the best approach to nutrition is one that prioritizes individualized needs and emphasizes a balanced, holistic approach. While eggs can be a nutritious addition to some people's diets, they are not a one-size-fits-all solution and may pose potential health risks for others. The key is to listen to your body and pay attention to how it responds to different foods. If you experience any adverse reactions after consuming eggs, it's essential to seek medical advice and consider eliminating them from your diet or finding suitable alternatives. By prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods, staying hydrated, engaging in regular physical activity, and managing stress levels, you can create a sustainable lifestyle that nourishes your body and mind. Whether or not eggs remain a staple in your diet, the journey towards optimal health begins with self-awareness, mindful eating, and a commitment to making choices that align with your individual needs and goals. Like, share, subscribe for more videos.